Welcome to this video about parameter mappings in Creditsafe Connect for Business Central. Parameter mappings, well, we map data to parameters. A parameter is something that comes with the data that we get from Creditsafe. And if we, for example, take a look at this Norwegian company and we download some new report data, we will get data from Creditsafe, which will be processed in Business Central through a mapping from structure of the data that comes from Creditsafe into parameters, which is report parameters. So we get the name of the company. It comes in the data from Creditsafe. It's called the business name. It's somewhere in the data structure. The leaf node where we have the actual data is called business name and is mapped to a parameter called name. So that's why it shows up here as the report data. But if we look at the monitoring object card, we will also see the name on the monitoring object card, which is here. And we do not have any hard-coded mappings on how to populate the fields on the monitoring object card. Instead, we do it in a mapping table. So if we continue to focus on the field name and the parameter called name, we will find that in the data processing setup, the parameter mappings. So here we should find name. That's the parameter code, the report parameter. And whenever we get data into that parameter, it will update field number 2 on the monitoring object, which is the name. When you install Creditsafe Connect, you will get all these mappings by default. You can see some of them also has aggregations like the payment remarks amount and so on. But we have also, in a separate video, we are showing the custom data fields where you can actually bring any parameter code that exists or that you have created and created a data mapping into it. Well, then you can map it into one of the 5 custom data fields, which you also can give names. But we have a separate video on how to do that. So this is what we have on the parameter mappings. We also have conversions on this. So we can, depending on where the data comes from, we can have a conversion factor for numerical data. Like if Swedish data source is reporting numbers in thousands and global is reporting more precisely, we can implement factors on it like this. So that's all about parameter mappings. So thank you for watching.